Breaking news now. 9 FSU fraternity members are charged with the death of a pledge student in a hazing incident, and 2 of them are from the Bay Area. There are new and shocking details tonight about what really transpired. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joins us now live. He is in the Tampa News Center. Hi, Jeff.
Yeah, good evening, Stacy. One of the young men charged in this case is the son of a prominent member of the Tampa Police Department. Another lives in a gated community in Wesley Chapel.
The fraternity was warned against hazing. They were warned about the dangers of alcohol and binge drinking. But newly released documents in the case say members of the Pi Kappa Phi fraternity turned a deaf ear to the warnings and encouraged underage pledges to drink to excess.
This was a pattern of hazing that had gone through the semester.
It was called Big Brother Night and held at an off-campus facility because ranking members of the fraternity knew there would be excessive drinking. In fact, according to the charging document, fraternity leaders encouraged drinking to excess. Prosecutors are using a new state law against hazing in this case.
If they set up a situation that leads to the death of someone else, then it's felony hazing.
20-year-old Andrew Coffey died in November at an off-campus house. His blood alcohol level was more than 5 times the legal limit for a DUI. Among those charged is Anthony A.J. Oppenheimer, whose family lives in this gated community in Wesley Chapel. Oppenheimer was one of the 2 people at the party designated to remain sober to look after the others. But the state attorney maintains he encouraged the pledges to drink to excess. Also named in the document is Christopher Hamlin, the son of Tampa Police Assistant Chief Mark Hamlin. The state attorney says Hamlin may not have been at the party, but he did encourage the consumption of alcohol to excess, which led to Coffey's death.
The 9 fraternity members are facing 3rd-degree felony charges in this case and up to 5 years in prison if convicted. Stacy?
All right. Thank you, Jeff.